What is a bidirectional inverter? Welcome to this presentation on bidirectional inverters. Today, we'll explore what they are, how they work, and why they are important in modern energy systems. Definition: a bidirectional inverter is a power electronic device that can work in two ways. It converts direct current, or DC, from renewable sources like solar panels into alternating current, or AC, for use in homes and businesses. At the same time, it can also take AC electricity from the grid and convert it back into DC for storage in batteries. This two-way functionality makes it essential for renewable energy systems and battery-based solutions. Working principle. Here is how it works. In its normal mode, the inverter converts solar DC into AC so we can power our appliances. In reverse mode, it takes AC electricity from the grid and charges the battery by converting it into DC. By switching between these modes, the inverter ensures efficient energy management between the grid, battery storage, and household loads. Applications. Bidirectional inverters have a wide range of applications. They are commonly used in solar systems with battery backup, in microgrids and smart grids, in electric vehicle charging stations, and in uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS, to keep critical systems running during outages. Advantages. Some key advantages include efficient power conversion in both directions, support for renewable energy integration, reliable backup during power cuts, and greater energy independence for homes and businesses. These benefits make bidirectional inverters an important part of the future of sustainable energy. Thank you for listening. Bidirectional inverters are more than just converters. They are key enablers of renewable energy, smarter grids, and reliable backup power.